Hello everyone. In this session, we will introduce the basic operations and settings of Kebbi. First, in the basic operations section, we will start from the beginning and learn how to operate Kebbi's basic features. Before interacting with Kebbi, follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare the environment. Ensure Kebbi's battery is fully charged. If Kebbi is off, press the power button on the top of its head to display the battery level. Allow enough space for Kebbi to perform freely, keeping it away from edges and water sources. Step 2. Power on. Press and hold the power button on Kebbi's head for 3 seconds. The NUA logo and startup animation will appear on the screen. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. During the initial startup, a Wi-Fi settings menu will appear. Select your network environment to connect. Step 4. Log into NUA account or team key. Personal users should register and log in with a NUA account. Business users must enter their NUA team key, which can be obtained from the robot management system. Kebbi's power button, located on top of its head, has 2 functions: short press and long press. If using another app, a short press will exit the app and return to the pet screen. If on the pet screen, a short press will put Kebbi into sleep mode. On the other hand, a long press will bring up options for do not disturb, restart, or shutdown. When Kebbi's main screen displays the pet face, it means that Kebbi is on pet mode. In this mode, touching any of Kebbi's touch points, including the head, left cheek, right cheek, belly, left palm, and right palm, will trigger different facial expressions. However, only touching the belly will wake Kebbi up. On the pet screen, swipe from right to left, or say menu to access the menu. Swipe left to right to return to the pet screen from the menu. If you want to change Kebbi's face, you can do so in the Pet Accessories app. Open the Pet Accessories or say, I want to change accessories. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between accessories or characters. After adjusting the appearance, press the button in the upper left corner to apply changes. Besides the pre-installed faces, you can also use NUA Creative Tool Skin Editor to create custom faces and apply them to Kebbi after deployment. To manage apps on Kebbi, enter the function menu, press and hold the app icon, then drag it to the trash bin to delete it. Swipe down from the top of Kebbi's screen to open the drop-down menu and notification panel. On this screen, you'll first see the current time, date, Wi-Fi connection status, and battery level. Next, you'll find several shortcut toggles, including Wi-Fi, movement, action, auto dialogue, menu, subtitles, notifications, connect, settings, and more. You can rearrange or adjust the shortcuts as you prefer. Below that, you'll find the brightness and volume sliders for easy adjustments. At the bottom is the notification panel, where you can view system or app notifications. Next, we will learn how to interact with Kebbi through voice commands based on your usage needs. There are 2 steps to interacting with Kebbi. Step 1. Wake up. You can either wake Kebbi by voice or touch. For voice wake up, say, Hello Kebbi. If Kebbi hears you, it will respond with yes. For touch wake up, place your palm on the designated touch area on Kebbi's belly. Kebbi will also respond with yes. Step 2. When the yellow light is on, speak the command. When Kebbi's cheeks and chest light up yellow, it is ready to listen to your commands. Note: if the environment is too noisy, Kebbi may have difficulty hearing. Younger children may find it easier to use touch wake up instead. In this section, we will explore the different settings available for Kebbi to help you customize its functionality. You can enter the settings either from the main menu or the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can wake Kebbi and say, Settings. Kebbi's settings include the following options: the Wi-Fi. You can connect, manage, or delete Kebbi's network connections. The Bluetooth, used to connect Bluetooth devices such as a Bluetooth speaker. The Wi-Fi display allows you to cast Kebbi's screen to an Android Smart TV or any device that supports Miracast. This feature is compatible with most Android casting devices, though support for all brands and models is not guaranteed. The display. You can adjust screen brightness and set the time for Kebbi to enter sleep mode. The languages and sound. You can switch system languages and control volume. The video call. You can set whether Kebbi should automatically answer video calls. By default, incoming calls are automatically answered after 30 seconds. The AI Control Center. You can view and adjust AI plugins and brain booster capacity, as well as check other imported conversational skills related to NUA tools. The autonomous behavior. You can enable or disable auto dialogue and disable the wake word if needed. When the wake word is disabled, Kebbi will not respond to Hello Kebbi. The motion controls. You can enable or disable Kebbi's action and movement. Additionally, you can toggle Kebbi's body language and sound orientation features, which make Kebbi more animated and interactive for a better user experience. The accessibility. You can turn Kebbi's subtitles and voice interaction status features on or off. Subtitles help you see what Kebbi has heard. The LED lights. You can control the LED lights on Kebbi's cheeks, chest, and hands. The eye protection mode. You can activate the blue light filter mode to reduce eye strain. The update reminders. You can toggle update reminders. Since NUA's development team regularly releases updates to enhance the user experience, we recommend keeping this reminder on to ensure you don't miss the latest software versions. The manual update. You can tap here to check if any software updates are available. The notifications. There are 3 types of notifications: system notifications, push notifications, and theater safety tip. You can set whether to receive those notifications. The date and time. You can enable automatic date and time settings, allowing the system to sync automatically when connected to the internet. Alternatively, you can manually set the date, time zone, and time format. The storage. You can view available storage and manage external micro SD card. The About Kebbi. In addition to providing software and hardware version information, you can also modify Kebbi's display name when searched, review legal information, and reset the robot. Next, we'll explore the different modes available for Kebbi. Sleep mode. When Kebbi enters sleep mode, the screen turns off, but you can still wake Kebbi and it will respond to your calls. To enter sleep mode, you can press the power button once, or simply let Kebbi remain idle for a set period. The duration can be adjusted in the display settings. To end sleep mode, just press the power button again or say, "Hello Kebbi," to wake it up. Do not disturb mode. When Kebbi enters do not disturb mode, only pressing the power button will wake Kebbi. No other actions will wake it up. To enter do not disturb mode, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and select do not disturb. To end do not disturb mode, just press the power button again to return to normal. Auto dialogue mode. When this mode is on, Kebbi will initiate conversations when it detects you nearby, and will continue listening until you leave. You can toggle this mode through the drop-down menu, or by saying turn on/off auto dialogue to Kebbi. To temporarily suspend auto dialogue mode, you can say, "Be quiet to Kebbi," which pauses the mode until you wake Kebbi or until the next day, when it automatically resumes. Action lock mode. In this mode, Kebbi's motors of head and arms are disabled, and the face and hand LEDs will show dark blue. You can toggle this mode through the drop-down menu or by saying turn on/off action to Kebbi. Movement lock mode. In this mode, Kebbi's wheels are disabled and the chest LED will show dark blue. You can toggle this mode through the drop-down menu or by saying turn on/off movement to Kebbi. Please note that when charging, Kebbi's wheels are automatically locked to prevent damage from pulling on the charging cable. The lock will disengage once the charging cable is removed. Congratulations on learning about the basic operations and settings of Kebbi. For more tutorials, please scan the QR code to continue learning at the NUA support.